In a major shift to enhance its defense capabilities, Taiwan is modernizing its artillery forces with the acquisition of advanced M109A7 Paladin self-propelled howitzers from the United States. This decision is part of a broader strategy to strengthen long-range precision strike capabilities and counter growing military threats from China. Initially, Taiwan's Ruiting project aimed to purchase 40 M109A6 howitzers for $560 million. However, evolving security concerns, particularly China's military buildup along its southeastern coastline, led to a reassessment of Taiwan's artillery needs. As a result, Taiwan has prioritized more advanced systems, including the M109A7 Paladin, to better address its defense requirements. Alongside the M109A7 acquisition, Taiwan is also procuring HIMARS, high-mobility artillery rocket systems, which have proven essential in long-range strikes. With the first 11 of 29 HIMARS units already delivered, the remaining systems are set to arrive by 2026, significantly bolstering Taiwan's ability to target Chinese military assets and infrastructure up to 300 kilometers away. The M109A7 Paladin offers significant upgrades over previous artillery models, including improved mobility, survivability, and firepower. Designed with a new chassis and advanced electronics, the M109A7 will replace Taiwan's aging M109A2 and A5 systems, which have been in service for over 30 years. The integration of Taiwan's order into U.S. production lines is expected to reduce costs and improve delivery times. This shift to modern artillery systems reflects Taiwan's strategic focus on asymmetric warfare, preparing for the growing threat from China. The acquisition of HIMARS and M109A7 Paladins will enhance Taiwan's defense posture, allowing it to respond effectively to potential military confrontations in the region. The delivery of the M109A7 Paladins is expected to begin after 2026, reinforcing Taiwan's artillery capabilities alongside its expanding HIMARS systems. This marks a critical step in Taiwan's ongoing efforts to modernize its military and ensure a strong deterrent defense against future threats.